Let me show you the impressive sensitivity of a digital trigger. I connected a test signal to channel 1 of this oscilloscope consisting of 5 pulses, a very big one and then smaller and smaller pulses here. If you look to the market, every oscilloscope is able to trigger to this big pulse. Not every scope can catch the smaller pulse, and if you look to analog triggered scopes, you will almost have no chance to trigger to these 3 small pulses. Let's have a look how it works on this scope with a digital trigger. If I move the trigger line down here, we see we can trigger on the next pulse very easily. Then let's even go down. Next pulse we are triggering, and now let's use the zoom mode to see the next smaller pulses and how the trigger works on them. Yeah, let's make this zoom window here. We see we are triggering here on this pulse. Let's go down with the trigger to the next one. Again, we are triggering on the next smaller pulse. And let's even go down here. We are still triggering stable to the last pulse, and you see in the unzoomed display the last pulse is even not easy to see. This is the feature of a digital trigger.